Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today I want to talk about whether or not you should install the Android 14 One UI 6 Beta 1 on your S23 or whatever device it may be if this comes out later on for other devices before we hit Beta 2, which it probably won't, but you never know. So I saw this article on Yahoo yesterday that popped up on my Google feed. And I just want to show you guys, let's see. It just announces it like it's out there for everybody. S23 users just got a great free software upgrade. And I just want to talk about the fact that you should not, as a general user, install a Beta 1 on your main device. If you have two devices and you want to try it out, sure, that's one thing. But if this is your main device, I would not put Beta 1 on there by any means. There's bugs, there's going to be issues. That's the whole point of the beta, to fix those things, to get those worked out, to find them. So if you're going to install this on a device, I would at least wait until Beta 2, and I wouldn't do it right away when Beta 2 comes out. I would give Beta 2 a few days to make sure there's no major issues reported, and then decide whether you want to do it or not. But like I said, if it's your main device, do not install Beta 1 on it. You can lose your data. You can lose access to your device, functionality, that kind of stuff. So far, we haven't had any of those issues on this beta, but you never know what may happen and have issues and stuff like that. Like I said, I had issues with the clock app not working right, where you couldn't see some of the stuff on here. So if you're relying on this for, to wake you up for work or something like that, you're not going to want something that may fail to do that. That kind of stuff. There's certain apps and stuff like that that don't work. Google Pay doesn't work for tap to pay if you're a big user of that. Not working right now in the beta. If you use GoodLock for different theming and GoodLock modules and stuff like that, a lot of those have not been updated on Beta 1 yet. And those probably won't get updated until the release. And there's certain apps that just don't work right now and stuff like that have not been updated. Because again, this is not only the One UI beta, but this is still using Android 14 beta builds as well. So there's certain Android 14 stuff that is not working fully in the mix yet too. So just hold off, wait till at least Beta 2 and see how things go then. But general users, I would not update to Beta 1. I would stay where you're at and wait and see how Beta 2 is and see if we have any issues there and how that goes. And then you can decide whether or not you want to do that. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great day.